Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to remove branch from the GitHub account. So let's see with the real example. So you can see that here. So let me go and I will say GitHub branch and I will have a three branch. Okay, and same if I go to the GitHub repository, I have a three branch. So if I go here, you can see that main, dev and staging. Okay, now I will create new branch. So I will say git checkout dash p and then I will say simply test and hit enter. You can see that I created a test branch and again I will run git branch and you can see that there is a test branch added over here. So what I will do, I will simply go and create new file over here and I will say test.html. Okay, and I will simply copy this code. Okay, and remove this one. Okay, simply save it so at least we can see there is a one file. So I will say git add and git commit. So I will simply commit code like add a new code into test branch and then I will say push origin test branch. Okay, and hit enter. It will upload this branch to the GitHub repository. And now if I go here and refresh it, you can see that there is added into the drop down there is a test branch. Now what if you want to remove this branch from the GitHub repository and local environment as well? So now let me go here and first of all I will do checkout to the main branch. Okay, I'm switch to the main branch and I will say git branch. Okay, now you can see that I want to remove this test branch from the GitHub repository. So I just need to run one command git push origin and there is a delete attribute and with the test branch name. Okay, what is the branch you want to delete, that name you need to pass over here and hit enter. It will remove branch from the GitHub repository. So now you can see that deleted the branch and now if I go here and refresh it, okay, you can see that it's removed from the list as well. Okay, so now if I go and I will say git branch and you can see that still it's showing over here. So how you can remove it locally as well? So I will simply run one command git branch and I will simply say delete. Okay, and I will call branch name. Okay, and hit enter. You can see that branch is not fully merged, so I think not that command. Yeah, you can pass dot t capital and you can see that branch is deleted. And now I will say git branch. You can see that it's removed from the list. You can see here and here as well. So both locally and remotely you can remove the branch like this way. So I hope guys you understand and if it helps you how you can easily use these commands. So if you like my video then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching guys.